A day after Christian delegation led by the bishop met the governor, requesting him not to give assent to the ordinance on anti-conversion bill promulgated by the state government. It was cleared by the governor's office today. This bill was first floated in the state legislature back in December when the session was held at Belgavi. Though the bill was cleared by the Legislative Assembly, it was not cleared in the council because BJP lacked the numbers. Now, why the bill has been passed as an ordinance, according to Law Minister Madhuswamy, since there is a constitutional provision. So Karnataka is among the very few states in the country where such a legislation is in force. What happens with the legislation is yet unclear, because this ordinance will stay for a period of 6 months until the government passes it in the upper house of the legislature. One more important thing about this aspect is that such laws have been challenged in courts across the country. So whether this law will stand the test of courts, will stand the test of judiciary, remains to be seen.
Flood has hit Assam little early this year. Normally the flood hits Assam in the last week of May, but flood is early mainly because of the cyclonic impact. So there was heavy rain. The disaster management department is saying that the rescue operation is going on. The rail connectivity has remained snapped between Assam and Manipur, Tripura and Mizoram and parts of South Assam. So there is a forecast that heavy rain may continue till 90th and 20th of May. So there is possibility that the flood situation may further become more serious.
Yes, it did list at a price below the issue price of 949, but the good news for all of you there holding the LIC stock is that it ended in the upper circuit at 0.95% above the listing price, which it ended on BSE at 875.45 rupees on Tuesday. Analysts say that investors don't really need to panic about the stock movement. Instead, you should just hold on to it for a longer time period in order to get back your returns.